Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making my grilled cheese recipe. Look at my hands. Today with me I have Derek. He is currently in the bathroom. And so today for my thing, we're gonna need some sour cream, some hot sauce. I like to use sriracha sauce. Cheese, preferably cheddar. Bread, any kind of bread will do. We just had some sourdough. Scissors to open the cheese. A knife to stab Derek with.
What's up?
Alright, butter. Salt. And a pan to knock Derek out with before we stab him. Okay, so first thing we're gonna want to do. Stop. First thing we're gonna want to do is cook the bread. Would you stop? Okay, so let's take this to the stove and snap. Okay, so now see we have our pan and our bread and our butter. Our butter. And then we take the butter, we put it on the pan. Plops. Make sure stove's going. It's going. Okay.
Guess who's recording right now?
Derek's recording. That's why it's so terrible.
Yeah, I know. She was freaking
A drop of sriracha. 2, I guess. Salt.
He has no idea what he's doing.
Spatula.
He has no idea what you're fucking doing.
Oh, shut up. I've done this like 2 times before. I'll let you know by the end of the video if it's good. So we flick it around. Yeet. Yeet. Get a bit of the camera, or get the pan in there, Derek.
William, you know what we could do? We could probably climb it to the table with a counter right there.
No, Derek. Oh my god, that's a huge spider.
Where?
There was a huge freaking spider on the floor.
Where?
It's over there. Stay calm, William. You're not a baby.
I kind of want to show the viewers it, but I kind of don't want to.
Okay, so
So it'd be
next
freaking cooking
we get
video.
your bread.
Block.
Oh, I like to use some, just whatever cooking spray you have lying around. Just
Did you this will help no one?
so then you rub it around on it, and okay, why isn't this hot? Do I need olive oil? No, I don't. More butter. The solution is always more butter. Make it a little hotter. Get that butter nice and melty. And we're gonna get it melted. Be careful, you don't want to make it too salty. So don't add a lot of salt.
Nothing. I had to stand up on a tip to see the.
And if I flip it, you can see right there. Let's fill up all that butter and stuff. Really good for you. Really healthy. You want to press it down a bit. Let it cook. This does take a while. Just a warning. I'll cut to. You want to do it until it's about like golden brown. Till it looks nice and toasted. And I'll cut to you when we get to that. Okay, so guys, we're back. You can see the bread is nice and crispy and delicious.
Yellow.
Yeah,
Golden.
yellow. So now you can cook them 2 at a time, but I'm just gonna do it one at a time since there are 2 big pieces of sourdough. So same thing as the first one, and I'll cut to you then. All right, so see, we have the second bread, nice and cooked, and now we are going to put the cheese on the bread. Wait, let me bring the cutting board over here.
That looks delicious. I will go back.
Okay, so we have our cutting board here. You're just gonna wanna really kill it. Okay, so you have this, and you're gonna wanna open the cheese. You listening, Derek?
Mm-hmm.
Once you open the cheese, you gotta open the cheese. Now, once you've done that, you're gonna show it from above, Derek. You're gonna wanna get a bunch of, alright, that's good. You're gonna wanna get a bunch of little, not too thick slices of cheese. About
I like thick.
about most of the width. About like, let's see. See the bread here. You want it to be like, we'll do one more.
Do one with 3 C's in it. Thick.
Like that, so it covers most.
That is
of it.
one thick piece of bread.
And then, what we're gonna want to do,
Dixie.
Dixie, no, Dixie's my dog. We're gonna want to get the sour cream. We're gonna take the sour cream. We're gonna stab it to death with scissors. Okay, this is watery. Okay, so nothing happened while you were gone. I did not accidentally drop the spoon on the floor or whatever. You know what I mean. Just kidding. I'm confusing myself. So you're gonna want to go to the pan, Derek. You're gonna want to take your pan and get some
Sizzle.
cooking spray on there, and then
What else do we have to freaking cook?
you're gonna want to So we're gonna have some. Stop. We're gonna get some sriracha on there.
Sauce.
This is gonna be it's gonna be spicy cheese. You're gonna want to get some sour cream.
That's watery.
This is a different one than the other one.
It's still pretty watery.
This has literally been in the fridge, Derek.
Look how watery that is, though.
That's because it's the. I almost put the cap for the cooking spray on the sour cream. That's because it's the bottom. That's because there's not a lot left. Okay.
The freaking camera looks the camera looks like the freaking cheese is from heaven. I mean the sour cream's from heaven because how freaking bright it is.
Okay. You're gonna want to get your cheese. And just put your cheese on there.
He has no idea what he's doing.
Oh, shut up! I do.
You've done it like 2 times.
So then, you want to get your cheese
Top view.
nice and melty. Don't let the cheese stack. See how it's getting melty?
But I like cheese.
And the sour cream, that's to make it a bit creamier, and the sriracha sauce.
It's
make
literally
it
called sour
spicy.
cream, so I can
it's
smell
not
the
cream.
freaking sriracha sauce.
You can? I think we need a bit more.
Yes.
A bit more of this.
Spicy is always good.
Okay. Now that the cheese is like literally falling apart, kind of like me. We want to turn off the stove.
No.
And once we've done that, you want to take your piece of bread and you want to carefully get the cheese blob and put it on there.
I'm pretty sure it's falling
This is
apart like you.
going to be a bit, Derek, shush. I mean, I'm allowed to insult me. You want to get your pieces of cheese and put it on here. This is going to be a bit messy, Derek, shush. And then once you get all the pieces of cheese on there, Derek, don't you say a word.
Cheese.
Derek, and then once you get all the pieces of cheese on here,
Cheese.
you get the pieces of cheese on here. I said you get the cheese on here.
Cheese.
Can I just... The cheese isn't paying attention.
Cheese.
I'm gonna have to fire this cheese. I guess I already did burn it to death. But, you heard nothing, people watching this video.
You heard everything.
You heard nothing. Okay, and then, once we get all the cheese,
Cheese.
once we get all the cheese on here, okay, then you can put this on top, and you can, what I like to do is we're just going to use a bit of olive oil, but you can put butter on top once it's done cooking, a bit of salt, a bit, if you're feeling good, you can put a little,
Watch us.
little sriracha.
That looks like my blood. Like when I breathe, that looks like when it pushes up.
Okay.
Looks like
And
you just
then,
smeared blood on
Where is it? Just a second, Derek. Keep looking at that. Where are the gosh darn toothpicks?
it. Nowhere and everywhere.
Derek, you are not helping.
They're on the
Where are
carpet.
the toothpicks?
I'm pretty sure they might be in the second drawer.
Second drawer? Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't think so, but I don't know.
Freak. Okay, no toothpicks, I guess. Yeah, no toothpicks. Okay, so you can do it without a toothpick. That's fine.
Look at these
And then-
nuts.
We're gonna take it over to the table. Okay, we're back. See here we have our nice grilled cheese sandwich. I'll just cut it in half for you guys. And you can see, gosh darn it. You can see the inside. Derek,
Delicious. Yay.
try it. Now, this method may not be efficient, but it's hecking delicious.
Like, not even lying, it is pretty good. Like, not for, like, YouTubers are still say it's good, but it's actually good. We're gonna go have an eating break, so.
It's nice and spicy, so. Alright, well, that has been it today. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.